Wet wipe packing machine is one of the main products of grand packing machinery. It's used for doing 3-side or 4-side sealing wet and dry wipes, alcohol prep pads, etc. The main working process is 1-side non-woven fabric roll releasing and folding, meantime the sachet film roll releasing and forming, sachet bottom sealing, wipe inserted and liquid filling into the sachet, hot sealing, pulling and cutting, final product output. It can be connected with cartoning machine to be an automatic production line. For more details, please contact us to discuss.